No need to browse thousands of videos for weight loss. Only this video can solve all of your problem regarding weight loss. This video can be our bonus package for all those aspirants who are browsing from day to night, video to video, trainer to trainer, moreover, paying some precious dollars to different websites, doctors, or nutritionists to get a full diet plan for a healthy body weight. In this video, you will not watch a video on diet plan, but a healthy lifestyle for a perfect body weight and shape. This video will include science of weight loss, low-calorie foods, rapid fat loss diet plan, green tea recipes with scientific facts, detox water recipes with scientific facts, super protein salad with scientific facts, habits you need to quit in order to lose your weight. So get ready to spend the most productive half an hour of your life to get a healthy lifestyle. Science of weight loss.
First, you have to understand the science behind weight loss. For example, your body weight is 75 kg and you want to lose the 10 kg. Then, how is that possible? It will be possible when your body will burn these 10 kg in your regular metabolism. Means you will give your body less calories from outside so that your body will use your inner calories to meet up your daily needs of calories. A normal person needs 2400 calories. You'll cut some of calories so that your body will burn the fat inside of your body to meet up these needs. Means to lose 1 kg in 1 week, reduce total amount of calories intake accordingly. There are some tips to lose weight. Remember, your daily calorie target is 1200 calories. So be calorie conscious. Here's an example. For example, you do your breakfast with 1 fry egg, 1 paratha and 1 cup of tea. Can you imagine how much these calories are being used in your breakfast, regular breakfast? Almost 400 calories. And if you are shifting your breakfast to a healthier one, for example 1 boiled egg, 2 normal sized apple and 1 orange, then it will make up to 160 calories. Meant to say, you are saving some half of your calories in your breakfast, some of your calories in your lunch, and then in dinner. So in total day calorie intake, you are saving some calories which your body is using from within.
Low calories food.
So green tea is on top of the list because it contains only 3 calories. It has bioactive compound, increase fat burning, anti-aging, and beside it's too low in calories. So if you have an habit to drink the green tea, it's best for you. Though popcorns are as low in calories, but it's my favorite because they are too much tasty in a diet. It gives you treat and it gives you encouragement to continue your diet plan. They are high in fiber, high in vitamin C and high in oxidants, so I like them too much, and they are too low in calories. If I'm going to compare popcorns, I'll have to take 3 cup of popcorns and there is a 1 tablespoon of oil. So imagine the calories. On number 3, it's cucumber. Cucumber is superfood for a diet planner. It has 16 calories, just energy, but it hydrates your body, freshen up your skin, high in fiber and appetite suppressor. So if it's summer and you are looking for a diet plan, you should compile some cucumber in your fridge. So next number in my list is orange. Orange is a low calorie food, yet it has many advantages. Just it has vitamin C rich in fiber, which makes your body full, and you feel less appetite, filled with antioxidants. Best in grapefruit diet. I will discuss in my another video what is a grape diet plan. Carrot is on this list, and yes, a medium-sized carrot just has 25 calories, loaded with vitamin A, have calcium, and vitamin K, have enough fiber to avoid the constipation and reduce cholesterol and sugar level. So if there is a winter season, so you should go for carrot as a whole than going for a juice. Next on the list is tomato. 24 calories in medium-sized tomato, source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K, have antioxidant, reduce heart disease. There are many advantages besides they are so tasty. I'll suggest you to make some salad of tomato, cucumber, carrot, and other vegetables so that it will fill your appetite and it will help you in weight loss. Yes, apple is in my list. It has low calories, and apple has 52 calories because they are high in fibers, so it fills your tummy well and you feel less appetite, and you know, the one apple a day keeps your doctor away. Thirty calories in 100 of watermelon, and it is hydrating for your body. It will aid in your constipation. It will reduce your cholesterol. So imagine what a brilliant food it is for your weight loss. And the last but not the least are the lentils. You know, the lentils are the rich source of proteins. If you are boiling 100 gram of lentils and making a soup of lentils, it will fill your tummy well, yet it has just 110 calories in just 100 gram of lentils. So I'll suggest you that you can skip a meal and you can eat the lentil soup, so that it will help your body loss and it will nourish your body with minerals like iron, folate, vitamins, and they are rich source of proteins.
Rapid fat loss diet plan. Egg fast is used as rapid fat loss diet plan. It is actually a diet plan in which your body uses ketones body instead of sugar as a regular energy source. So you eat a lot of fat, high fat, low protein, and low carbs. In this diet plan, you have to eat lots of eggs all day long with some healthy fats. Although this egg fast is very effective and you'll see your results in just 5 days, but I'll not recommend it to continue it after your week of egg fast. That's a big don't from my side. So here are the routines of this diet plan. On day 1, you'll have to wake up like a fresh man in the morning. Take your first egg within 30 minutes of waking up. You can eat hard-boiled egg with some mayos or some spices in the morning. After 3 hours of first egg intake, now you'll make a crumbled egg. For this, take 1 spoon of butter or olive oil, or your 1 egg or 2 as you like to eat, and then add some spices. Stir it slowly in one direction and then in other direction. Add some spices and your crumbled egg is ready. I'll recommend to take a green tea right after your crumbled egg. After next 3 hours, I'll suggest you to make an omelette of egg with the butter, and or you can add some cheese in it to make it yummy and tasty. Add some spices or some green leaves of coriander or green garlic. After next 3 hours, I'll suggest you to make a fry egg in olive oil. You can take 1 to 3 teaspoons and you can eat it with mixed with mayo or cheese to make it fatty, so that your body will use these fat along with ketones body in your body. Don't forget to take your black coffee right after this fry egg. Right after 3 hours of your last meal, you'll make a simple salt and pepper egg filled with cheese to add taste in your life, and so that it will not be boring as it seems. Add some mayo too. I recommend the last egg of your day should be boiled egg with simple salt and pepper with a green tea, so that it will heat up your body. It will stimulate and activate your ketones body, so that your belly fat or your fat around your armpit will burn as soon as possible. Don't forget to take last cup of black tea or green tea. I hope you have understand the routines of your first day. You can keep it same in next 3 to 5 days, or you can change it according to your taste. Remember some hard rules of egg fast. First one is you have to eat at least 6 eggs a day. Though you can change egg recipes, but the theme will be same, that you will eat egg with healthy fat throughout your day. You'll mix healthy fats such as butter, olive oil, or any vegetable oil you have. Remember, this high fat will trigger burning of ketones body in your fat. Absolutely no sugar in your diet. Remember, no sugar in 5 days. You can add some spices in your food. It will enhance your recipes. It will keep you stick in your egg fast. Last one is that you have to drink too much water, and as much water as you can throughout your day. You have to eat your first egg within 30 minutes of waking up. Remember, this is very necessary because it will trigger up your body to shift your metabolism from sugar burning to fat burning. 3 recipes with facts. Weight loss with the help of green tea in 3 ways. Yes, you can lose your weight with the help of the green tea. The first one is the ginger and mint tea. This is so refreshing and this is very helpful for weight loss. The second one is soothing tea. This tea is very necessary if you want to lose your weight in summer season. The third one is the carom seed tea. This tea is beneficial if you want to lose your weight in winter. So let's make these teas one by one. First, we will make ginger and mint tea. For this, you'll chop some pieces of ginger and some leaves of mint. Add 2 cups of water and bring boil in this tea. When it is changing color to light green, it means your tea is getting ready. Turn off your stove and enjoy this tea. Remember, this tea is very necessary to maintain your digestive system with immunity, boosting immunity, a higher metabolism. This tea is the soothing green tea. I suggest this name to this tea because this tea is very essential and very beneficial if you are using your diet in some season, because it will give a soothing effect to your diet. For this, you'll add some fennel seeds, then a piece of cardamom and a piece of cinnamon stick. Then you'll add some pieces of lemongrass to it. Bring it to boil and boil it at very low flame. When it's getting boiled, you'll turn off your stove and enjoy your tea. Remember, this tea is very essential in weight loss. It will enhance and boost your mood, helping to maintain your stomach, and it is very energetic drink along with soothing effect. Enjoy this tea in the evening or after the lunch. The last one tea is very famous for the boss. For this, you'll have to take a glass of water, add 1 teaspoon of carom seed in it, bring it to boil. When it's getting simmer, you'll turn off your flame and you'll enjoy your tea. Remember, the tea will be very beneficial if you take it at night before going to bed. Here is the set of 3 teas which are very helpful in your weight loss journey, and they are helpful in maintenance of the digestive system with boosting immunity and high metabolic rate, which are very essential in the weight loss journey. Detox water recipes with scientific facts. Detox water for belly fat. In this video, we will learn the benefits and procedure of making detox water drinks. First of all, we will make cinnamon drink, which is very beneficial if we will take it in morning. The second one is the chia seed drink, which is beneficial if you take it in lunch. And the last one is detox water, which you will take throughout the day. Without wasting time, let's make these drinks one by one. So the first one is the cinnamon drink. You'll make this drink in the night. For this, you'll have to take one piece of cinnamon stick. Then you'll add water to make it full of glass. Keep it overnight and take this drink as your first drink in the morning with empty stomach. Remember, cinnamons are famous for their weight loss activities, for the protection of the body against inflammation, for boosting up your immunity, and for making your energy level high throughout the day. The second one drink is the detox water. It is full of vegetables which are essential for detoxifying your body and increasing your metabolic rate. For this you'll have to take some slices of cucumber, some slices of ginger, some slices of lemon according to your taste, and the last one is the cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick is your choice. If you have taken a cinnamon drink in the morning, you can avoid it in this drink, but I'll suggest because it will boost the weight loss activities. So this drink is perfect for detoxifying your body, making your energy high, and making your digestive system so strong, which is perfect for a belly fat loss. Remember, it will not only detoxify but also freshen up your skin. And one drink is the chia seed drink. For this, you have to take 1 to 2 spoons of chia seed, mix it with water to make it 1 glass, and take it before the lunch and the noon. Before the lunch is it recommended because it will make your stomach feeling of fullness, and it is a great source of fibers and protein, and they have lots of properties which are essential for weight loss activities. It will always give you a feeling of freshness. You can add a slice of lemon if you want to make it tasty. Super protein salad with scientific facts.
Superfood is zero fat, low carb protein salad. It consists of healthy veggies, chickpeas, and nuts. So to prepare this salad, take a bowl and then take a half cup of chickpeas. Boiled chickpeas with salt will add taste in your salad. Then we will take half cup of cucumber. A normal sized cucumber will be enough. The next one is the onion. Take a normal small sized onion and cut into slices. Add it in your salad. Add cabbage leaves according to your taste. Some leaves of coriander and mint. Last veggie in your salad is tomato. Give it a good mix of your ingredients. So in this video we will make it clear why it is called as superfood. It consists of chickpeas, which are high fiber, boost your mental activities, high in calcium, magnesium, and fibers. The next one is the cucumber. Cucumber hydrates your body, lower blood sugar, aid in weight loss. The next one, onion. Antioxidant, cancer fighting, antibacterial, boost your digestive system. Next one is my favorite, that is cabbage, which is antioxidant, fibrous, lower cholesterol, and has vitamin C. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, K, folate, and is very important for your heart health, antioxidant, plus many more properties which I cannot mention to make it long here. Besides chickpeas and all those veggies, we will add some salt and a chaat masala, a super Asian masala. Then 1 to 2 teaspoon of lemon. Oops, it falls down. Then we will give it a good mix. Lemon will enhance, they are rich in vitamin C, as you know, and it will give a good taste to your salad. The last ingredients of this salad are almonds and pistachios. Almonds and pistachios are healthy fats, fibrous protein. They lower your sugar level, they control your cholesterol, they use to reduce your hunger. So they are famous for the weight loss activities they have. We will suggest it to make it superfood, to add some nuts or peas in your salad as much as you like and as much as you can. To make
habits you need to quit in order to lose your weight. Quit these habits and lose weight automatically. Yes, this video can be a magic video for you if you want to lose weight very fast but you don't know how to do it. Habit that can be a hurdle in your weight loss journey and you have to quit is eating without thinking about calories. Yes, this is a major problem for those people who don't know what calorie is and which food has which amount of calories. Means you don't know our calories of what you eat. Or in other words, you don't know what should be the target of daily calorie intake in order to lose your weight. The second one habit that you should quit in order to lose weight is choose to eat in large plate. Remember, this is the psychology of the people who had a history of overeating in the past. It is obvious that you will end up eating a lot if you choose a large plate instead of a small plate. So I'll suggest you to pick up salad plate and you'll end up eating moderately. The third one habit that you need to quit is you sleep less than 6 hours. Remember, your body needs a resting stage in order to use all those calories which you have consumed in night. For this, you have to sleep and you have to give your body a resting stage so that it will consume the calories in your body. People who sleep less than 6 hours feel tired. If you sleep less, you will eat more. This is a scientific fact that is proven with the research. The fifth one is you skip meals. Yes, you have a habit to skip meals. You have to quit this habit because skipping a meal can trigger your body in a stage that you have nothing to eat. So your body will end up in storing food instead of consuming it. This habit will lead you store more fat instead of consuming that fat. Means even dangerous if you are skipping your breakfast. This is necessary because in breakfast your body have a habit that you have a lot of energy when it is needed after resting stage. So don't ever skip a meal, especially if it is breakfast. The next one habit that you need to quit is eating quickly. Means you take your bites too quickly. Remember, your brain is a working machine. Means your brain take times to recognize that your belly is being filled. If you eat too quickly, your body will not recognize it until you have eaten a lot than usual. So slow and steady wins the race. The next one habit that you need to quit is that taking too big bites. Remember, taking big bites can never be a savior for you. Why is this? This is because when you took big bites, you eat a lot. Your brain cannot recognize and your stomach cannot message it whether it is full or not. So, take small bites. Not drinking enough water. Remember that water is a energy source for a diet people. So, this is because drinking is often confused as hunger. Means you are thirsty, but you will end up eating a lot. It is often confused with being tired. Yes, you will take a caffeine cap, which will make you even dehydrated. So remember, when in lunch you feel hungry, first you have to take a glass of water so that you not be confused with being hungry or being thirsty. The next one habit that you should avoid is multitasking while eating. Means you are eating but watching a movie, busy on a phone. Remember, this will end up eating a lot. Watching movie and eating snack will end up eating a lot. So you have to avoid this multitasking. You have to concentrate on your eating when you are eating. The ninth one is eating low fat food. Remember, fat is as necessary for your body as carbs and protein. This can lead you overweight if you choose low fat food. So remember, don't eat a low fat food, eat a healthy fat food. So you should shift your eating towards healthy fat instead of low fat food. You should eat plant originated oil, and you will be healthy. The last one is you do odd snacking. Means you eat a fatty snack without any reason. You eat second snack with high calories without any reason, even if you are not hungry, but you have a habit to do snacking. This odd and unhealthy snack can lead extra half pound a week in your belly waist. Remember, fellas, all these habits can lead you getting overweight, and even if you are trying to lose weight and you are trying hard to follow your diet plan.
Remember one thing in your life, that no diet is
The last
effective without
advice.
workout, and no workout is effective without a proper diet. And
Don't forget to mention it in your comments. How does it work? Have healthy days of life.